Hello, today I will be going over how we can use the Canva tool in our classrooms for educational purposes. I will be going over how we can create videos, worksheets, and presentations. The Canva tool is a free tool for anybody, but you can always choose to upgrade. And whenever you want to create a design, you do not have to start from scratch or from zero because Canva already has many templates for you to choose from. To create a design, you can choose from one of this displays on this tab, or you can start here and create a design, choose what you want to do, and that's it. So for today, I'm going to start off with a video, and as you will see, there are many templates for you to choose from. Right here on this tab where it says design, then there's templates. I've already used this one. There are many for you to choose from. If you see that little crown, that means it's pro, so that won't be free. That's a something that you get when you upgrade to pro. But there's already many cute things that you can use for your classroom. So for example, I did a video over food chains. I did not use this exactly. I deleted some of the pro items and I customized it as how I wanted. As you can see here, this is my final video. I added flowers, a little lizard chameleon, and I added more videos. So there are many for you to choose from. It does not have to be exactly as how they have it. You can always customize it, but the good thing about this is that you do not have to start from zero. And let's see here. This is part. We can keep adding more. Just keep adding the videos that you want, the little clips. You can always go back to delete something. So if I want to delete this, I can click on these three small dots, delete, duplicate, or add, or I can lock. What lock means that is you can't move it, so it will stay in its place. If you accidentally touch it, it's not going to move its place because it's locked. You can also add your own elements. You will search here what you want. It can be a graphic. Graphics sometimes have their own movement. It can be a photo, another video, shapes. There's no bird shapes, and audio. Audio, a lot of things that you'll find will be pro, so that may be tricky to find something for free. But something cool that I want to show you guys is that if you look up frame, these are the frames you have, and you can add pictures inside these frames or more videos. So, for example, let's say for fun, I want to add this computer monitor screen. Inside, I will add another video. I will add this. I'm going to drag it. Make sure I drag it inside where I want it, otherwise it's going to be outside. And now my video will look like this. So Canva is a pretty nice tool. It allows you to get creative in many ways. Also, this right here that looks like a sideways timer. These are your transitions, how you want videos to go from one to the other. I usually like the dissolve option. And here you can add your text. You also get many different fonts that are really cute, different, that can go along with what your topic is. Let's just game on. design, and you can always customize it. It does not have to be exactly as how they have it. Here we go to the colors. There's many colors that you can choose from. If you want something from the screen that's already there, you choose this little drop. You choose what you want. There are also effects, pitch, curve. It's so much that you can try using the Canva tool. Another thing, you can upload pictures from your own iPad or whatever device you're on. You can upload videos or pictures into here. You can also even draw. And there's also, if you want to add a YouTube video, you can also come down here where it says apps and look for what you are searching for. You can choose from many of these apps. Usually the only thing I've added to my presentations are just more YouTube videos. So that's it for the video, which also is pretty much the same on anything, on any design you're doing, whether it be a worksheet, a flyer, a presentation. The same tools apply, just how you use them. What's different? So in here, I've added a jungle audio. This one came with two. All I did was I went to elements. I looked up jungle because the topic that this video is about, that I created, is over food chain. So I looked up jungle. I scrolled over here to audio, and this is the one I chose, 42 seconds. And even though my video is not 42 seconds long, it's actually longer than that. All I did was just duplicate the sound as many times as I needed. Now moving on to the worksheets. This is actually, if you can see here, it says this is a real estate flyer, but I used it as a worksheet because this is the size that I needed. And I didn't realize there was a worksheet option. But what I did is I created this lab activity, I think directed towards 4th graders, and I just added my intentions with this worksheet was to have a little reading and then instructions for the lab they were doing and some questions that I needed the students to answer. These pictures, if I did not get them from the Canva elements, I got them from a Google website. All I could have done is just look up what I needed. I needed Kenyan. We'll go to photos, and yep, that picture is from here. And for the text, I think I just stuck to a basic text of subheading or a body text. And the same as you would in a Word document, you have your bold, options, italics, and underline, which I used. And then to stick with the theme of rocks, I went for this little rocky font for the title. And here, this worksheet I created for 2nd grade students for them to start working on reading numbers using base 10 blocks and then writing them in word form. These pictures that I have here, the 10s and the 1s, I created on PowerPoint. Then I took a screenshot of them and I uploaded them here. So this is my 100 block, and sorry, this is the one I use for thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So if we wanted to create a new worksheet, I would go to create a design, look for what I need right here, worksheet. And again, since what you chose is a worksheet, automatically many templates will pop up for you to get started. There's some for all about me, book report. You can try looking up something that you want in the area that you want. So here's an addition one. And you can always again change it up how you like. Maybe you want bigger numbers, 2 digits. Let's move this, that. Or maybe you don't want to do just addition, you want some of them to be subtraction. These, again, they're just templates for you to choose from to help you get started so you don't feel that you're starting from scratch. Again, you have some of the pros. This will pop up saying that you have the chance to upgrade if you'd like, or there's more here. This is really cute for the younger grade levels. Again, the same tools apply in every design that you're creating. You have your design, which is the templates, elements, which includes shapes, graphics, audio, videos, photos, stickers, which more graphics. You have also charts. I haven't really used these. You have tables and the frames that I mentioned earlier. And then your text, subheading if you want to stick to the basic ones. It uses the Canva font, Canva Sans. Brand, I think this is more for companies if you want to start your own business. I haven't looked into this as much. I can't give much information for that. And again, your uploads, any pictures that you have uploaded or you can draw. Now, for the presentations. You can go again right here where it says create a design and you will look for what you are looking for. If you can't see it at a glance, you can always type it out, presentation, and choose the size. Again, some templates will pop up for whatever you are looking for. Maybe it's your reading class. Look up literature. You have many cute templates. You can apply all or just the one page. You can keep looking for more. Here you add page. So I'm going to add all of these pages, this template that's already here provided. And what I like about Canva is that you can add titles to every slide, to every page. So for this one, I'm going to put title. And here, this looks like a table of content. Introduction. Objectives. And I'll leave it right here. Because what I want to show is that you can add links in here. So for example, going here and clicking on this icon that says link, as I mentioned, you can either link an outside link outside of Canva, such as YouTube, a different website, or it can be something inside here. So I'm going to link this introduction a word that says introduction to the actual page that's introduction. Now I see the underline, it is done. So now when I'm on page 2 and I click on the word introduction, it'll take me to page 3, introduction. So if you want to get more creative, I think that's a really fun thing that you could try. Also, again, going over this little icon, this is lock. If you know for sure these the title, you want it to be there and you don't want to accidentally move. Let's say you want to move these books around, but you don't want to move the title page. You can always lock whatever you want to lock. So I'm going to lock that title and the name of the presenter. And now I can move all other graphics without worrying that I'm going to move the title name or the presenter's name. Lock this. Oops. Lock. And I think that's it for this little mini tutorial over Canva. They have added new things such as this whiteboard or a regular document that you want to try. This whiteboard is just a big screen for you to get your ideas floating. Again, more templates if you don't know how to get started to get your ideas flowing, or you can just maybe use this as a little warm-up board for the students. Warm up and have the students come up, do whatever they need to do, and just a fun little break maybe. You guys can, I'm going to click on this reverse undo button, and it says here you can also click Control C. So I'm going to try it on my keyboard. Control C. Here we go. And yep, that's it. This is all for the mini tutorial on how we can use Canva in the classroom. Thank you.